Don't scroll. Your gut might be begging for this. If you feel bloated, tired, or heavy, your colon could be overloaded with toxins. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful natural drinks that help cleanse your colon and improve digestion naturally. Your colon plays a critical role in removing waste and toxins from your body. When it's not working properly, toxins can build up, causing fatigue, bloating, bad digestion, and even skin problems. Drink 1. Lemon Water Detox. Start your day with warm lemon water. Lemon stimulates digestion and helps flush toxins from your digestive system. How to make it. Warm water. Juice of half a lemon. Optional, a pinch of sea salt. Drink 2. Apple cider vinegar drink. Apple cider vinegar supports gut bacteria and improves digestion. It helps break down waste and cleanse your colon naturally. How to make it. 1 glass of water, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon honey. Drink 3. Green detox juice. Green juices are packed with fiber and chlorophyll, which help clean your digestive tract. Ingredients: spinach, cucumber, celery. Green apple and water. Drink 4. Ginger and turmeric tea. Ginger and turmeric reduce inflammation and stimulate digestion. This tea helps your colon function more efficiently. How to prepare. Boiled water. Fresh ginger. Turmeric powder. Optional lemon. Drink 5. Pineapple and papaya smoothie. These fruits contain enzymes that help break down food and clean your digestive system. Ingredients: pineapple, papaya water, or coconut water. Important warning: these drinks support digestion, but they are not a medical treatment. Always consult a doctor if you have digestive issues. Your body deserves to feel clean, light, and energized. Start with just one of these drinks today and feel the difference. Subscribe for more natural health tips.